Hello students, now we're going to look at solution 2, book 3, chapter 6 sample quiz, number 2 multiple choice. So this is in book 3 of your ma1026 booklets, and this one's on page 41 or 42, sometimes the pages are off by one. An acute angle is one which is defined as, so we're looking for basically a definition here. What's an acute angle? Now there are three main types of angles: acute, then there's right, I guess four types of angles, because you can include then obtuse and straight. They're probably the four main ones. And there's a fifth one called reflex, but I don't think this book covers that type of angle. An acute angle is one between 0 and 90 degrees. So if we call the angle, let's call the angle x each time. So let's x equal the angle. Okay, so x is between 0 and 90, and that's how we write it. So between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Can't be equal to 0, can't be equal to 90, it's between them. Okay, so lots of examples there. A right angle is actually equal to 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is between 90 and up to 180, but can't be 180, so it's between 90 and 180. A straight angle is equal to 180 degrees, and that's a good name for the straight line. So a reflex angle, which is one that's not covered here, is between 180, right, less than x and less than 360. And of course, if you went x equal to 360, you'd be to a full circle, wouldn't you? This would be actually the measure of the central angle of a full circle. So the first four ones are the ones they cover in this book. And we're looking for an acute angle. Now, if you want to draw one of each type, of course, right, you'd have, well, I've got my drawer here, get my line drawer, and I drew one of each type. Then if you start with a straight line, then an acute angle would be something like this, right, less than 90 degrees. So there's an example of acute right there. So this angle here would be acute. A right angle, now you should be familiar with a right angle. That's straight, right? If we draw a straight line like that and then go straight down, absolutely perfectly straight, that angle forms. And usually the one they give is this little one right here. They usually put a little box in the corner, meaning right angle. So it's perfectly straight up, 90 degrees. Obtuse would be greater than 90, and so you'd have to draw that, and then so you'd have to draw something greater than 90. So obviously I can't draw it like this. I can't put it right down straight like that. That would be 90. I'd have to make it greater than 90, so swing it over. So your angle turns out to be, okay, greater than 90. So this would be, right, your angle here, and obviously that's greater than 90. So, and of course the other fourth main one is the straight angle, and that's very easy to draw, just a straight line. And of course your angle, you would show it like this, right? It's 180 degrees. Okay, 180 degrees. Now, I know I'm going on a bit long for this one. You didn't have to know all that, but I just wanted to review all the different types of angles. And we're looking for the one that's less than 90 but greater than 0. And we can see that absolutely this one, the first one, is between 0 and 90. So an acute angle is less than 90 but greater than 0. So the answer for this one is A.